Just like how peanuts, how we are going to sell. Like that, this person is going to sell apartment flats. He's the expert in the marketing. If a customer came in some way, he's going to convince that sale is going to be happen. That much expert person in the marketing. Everyone is going to shout like anything. Yeah, everyone is going to appreciate like anything is a skill in the marketing area. He got huge money. What this person did is, hey, I'm the too good in marketing. Why I have to work with this person? Let me start my own construction company. He started his own construction company. His own construction company he started. And his mindset got changed. What this person did is, in this company, in this new construction company, each and everything should be happen. Okay, in my control. In my control. Like he is involving each and every activity related to the construction. Because it is a completely new area to this person. Spending more time in the construction area. Then what happened is, just within 6 months, he sold house furniture to clear loans. How the worst situation. What is the problem came here? Anyone can you please guess what is the problem came here? The problem is where he is strong, that area he left, and where he is weak, that area is fighting. This is the bigger problem, dosto. That's why he failed. He failed that. Okay, in Amirpet also, I saw multiple people. Best faculty. He's the best faculty man. Then he came out. He is going to start his own institute. Faculty the best. He coming out. He's going to start his own institute. But he's not in a position to run. Because where is very strong in teaching is very strong. But it doesn't mean he's very strong in the management, right? Okay, need not be strong in the management. Identify right who and recruit that management activities is that person. But what he is going to do is, no. I'm responsible for everything. Each and everything should be happen with my involvement only. Yeah, earlier this person is teaching 8 hours. Because of this management activities, now he started teaching only 2 hours or 3 hours. After 1 or 2 years, that institute is going to be closed. I saw multiple institutes in the last 20 years in Amirpet like this. Best faculties, but worst business owners. Best faculties, but the failed business owners. Remember this. It's always a bigger problem, man. Not only this, sir. Sir, cinema heroes. He is the hero, heroines like. They are too good at acting. They got national awards. Huge fan base is there. After doing some 4 to 5 businesses, after doing 4 to 5 movies, yeah, I can do anything. Anything I can do. Like what these people are going to do, they are going to produce the movies. They are best in acting. They are worst in producing. Then automatically what will happen is, they are getting lost like anything. Whatever they earned by acting, they are going to lose by producing. Observe the point. Where they are strong, that area, they have to work. Where they are weak, don't fight with your weaknesses. You require to arrange right who to fill that gap. But don't hide your weaknesses. Okay? Don't hide your weaknesses. Where you are weak, better to arrange a person. Right who to fill that gap. That's the most important. Okay? So, build a team around your weaknesses. So you are very strong. In some areas you are weak. Those areas covered by already people. Then obviously, as a team together, you can create miracles in your life. You can create empires. Sir, I'm weak in that area. Let me explore that area and I will do that. I will do that. That thing is enough. Okay? To kill your success, to destroy your success.